Hello astrology lovers. In this video I will talk on predicting imprisonment and release. The word imprisonment means to lock someone up in prison, which is a secure place when someone is confined as punishment for a crime or while waiting to stand trial. In astrological parlance, imprisonment means leaving place of residence and getting confined to a new environment. Whether a person will have to undergo imprisonment for any criminal or unlawful act or for any false allegation can be judged from his or her rectified horoscope or horary chart. This video is in continuation with the previous two videos I had made on this person. So if you have not watched those two videos, then I request you to watch them so that you will get better understanding. The person's birth details are birth date and day 16th August 1960 Tuesday, birth time 2 a.m. rectified to 1 hours 58 minutes 15 seconds by me, place of birth Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, time zone and name plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time, latitude 13 degrees 5 dash north, longitude 80 degrees 18 dash east, geocentric latitude 12 degrees 59 dash 55.43 dash north, nakshatra Rohini third quarter, tithi Krishna Paksha Dasami, and Marsh Khullar hourly 23 degrees 17 dash 45.44 dash. On the screen is planetary position table, Rashi chart, Cuspal position table and Bhav chart. To understand how I got 1 hour 58 minutes 15 seconds from 2 a.m., the time that he provided me, you will have to watch the previous two videos in which I have done his birth time rectification. Here rising sign is Gemini, moon is in the Rashi of Taurus in 12th house. So person was arrested, and arrest happens. For arrest we have to study cusps 2, 12, 3 and 8. 12 because it's 12 from Lagna, and as we know in this system 12 from any cusp is not considered good or considered inauspicious. So 12 from Lagna, and as Lagna is connected to self, and 12 from Lagna means loss of reputation. Third because third is 12th from 4th, and 4th is connected to a place where a person lives. So 3 is connected to 3 is 12th from 4th, and 8th because 8th is connected to suffering or struggles. So and when a person gets arrested, he has to, that person suffers or struggles. So we have to focus on cusps 12, 3 and 8. So first we have to understand if a person is destined to be arrested or not, because if the promise is not there in horoscope, then person will not get arrested. So to study promise we have to focus on cusp 1, because all the promises are studied from cusp 1, as cusp 1 is connected to Lagna, and 12th because 12th is connected to imprisonment, and we can also study it from 4th because 4th is the place where a person resides. Here subsub lord is Lagna, subsub lord is of Lagna is Saturn, and Saturn star is Venus, sub lord is Rahu, and subsub lord is Ketu. And Venus and Ketu both appear in 12, so it involves 12. Sublord Rahu appears in 8th, so 12 8th, and Rahu also appears in 3rd because Rahu represents Venus, and so Rahu appears in 3 and 8th, and Venus appears in 12 and 3 and 1. So 1, 3, 12 involvement, commitment with 3 and 8th. And final confirmation Ketu is Saturn and Jupiter. Saturn appears in 12 and Jupiter appears in 3, and 8th also. So Ketu appears in 3, 8th and 12th. So Lagna Sub Lord promises imprisonment. We also have to study this from 12th, because 12th cusp, even if because 12th cusp is connected to imprisonment, because it's a loss of also it's connected to loss of reputation. 12th sublord is Ketu. Ketu's star is Jupiter, sublord is Saturn, sublord is Ketu. And we just saw that Jupiter and Saturn, they appear in these cusps, 3, 8 and 12. Whenever sublord has planets like Rahu or Ketu, we also have to study the promise with the planets that these planets represent. And these planets represent, Ketu represents Saturn and Jupiter. Saturn we have already studied, and now Jupiter. So considering Jupiter as 12th sublord, Jupiter is Ketu, Ketu, Jupiter. So Ketu we have to club, and Ketu is star, and Jupiter will become sub. And Ketu, as I just explained to you, appears in Ketu appears in 3 because Ketu represents Jupiter. Here also Ketu represents Jupiter, so 8th, and here 12th. So Ketu appears in 3, 8, 12, and Jupiter appears in 8th and 3. So Ketu as Jupiter also supports, and Ketu as Saturn also supports, as Saturn is Lagna sublord, and we just studied. Now 4th sublord also we have to study in the same way. 4th sublord is Rahu, and Rahu is Venus, Saturn, Mercury. Venus we know that it appears, Saturn also we studied, it appears, Saturn we studied here, and Mercury appears in 3. So Rahu as 4th sublord also supports the event. Now we have to study this as Rahu as Sun and Rahu as Venus, because if Rahu is 4th sublord, so Rahu also represents Sun and Venus. So we have to study the promise of 4th with Sun and Venus also. Sun is Mercury, Saturn, Rahu, and we just studied Mercury, Saturn, Rahu appear in these positions to support the event. And then Venus is Venus, Jupiter. So Venus we have to club, and Jupiter, as I just explained to you, Jupiter appears in these cusps, and Venus, it appears in 3 and 12. So all these planets they show imprisonment, and that's the reason person was imprisoned. He was arrested on 1st December 2007 around 12 p.m. On that very day, Dasha was Saturn, Mars, Ketu, Moon. 1st December. Now let's study these planets: Saturn, Mars, Ketu and Moon. So we are studying Dasha now. Let's start with Saturn. Saturn is because Mahadasha and Bhukti. Saturn is Venus, Rahu. Venus here 3, 12, Rahu 8th. Then Ketu is Jupiter, Saturn. Jupiter 3, 8th, Saturn in 8th, 12. Then Mars is Moon, Jupiter. Moon is 3, 8th, and Moon is Moon and Saturn. So Moon in 3 and Saturn in 8th and 12. So from Dasha we can understand that why person got imprisoned. Then he was released on 31st December 2007. Release happens when cusps 11, 4 and 2 get stimulated. 11th because it's connected to fulfillment of desire or fulfillment of ambition. 4th because it's connected to the cusp where a person lives or resides or stays. And 2 because it's 2 is connected to family. So when person goes to his house, he also gets united with his family. So person gets released when cusp 11, 4 and 2 gets stimulated. Now release happened on 31st December, and Dasha was Saturn, Rahu, Saturn. So you have to study Saturn and Rahu. Here we can see that all these planets are malefic, natural malefic planets, but despite these planets being natural malefic, person got released, because in this very system we do not give importance to the qualities or traits of planets. We check if these planets are stimulating the desired cusps or not for the event to happen. And here, although he was released on 31st December, here it's 3rd January, because from this dasha ended on 30th December, and then from 30th till 3rd the dasha was Saturn, Rahu, Saturn. So let's study Saturn and Rahu. Saturn is Venus, Rahu, Ketu. So Venus in 11th, Rahu in 4th, and Ketu represents Jupiter, and Jupiter appears in seconds, and so Ketu also appears here. So Venus, Rahu, Ketu, it supports release. Then Rahu is Venus, Saturn, Mercury. Venus in 11th, Saturn in 2, and Mercury in also in 2 and 11. Sorry, Mercury in 2 only. So we can see how Dasha supported this person to come out of prison. Then person got arrested again on 23rd February 2018. On that very day, Dasha was Saturn, Moon, Venus, Jupiter, Mars. So let's see how these planets caused his arrest again. We have to study these 4 planets: Bhukti, Sukshma, Antar, and Prana. Bhukti, Antar, Sukshma, and Prana. Sorry. So let's begin with Moon. Moon is Moon, Saturn, Jupiter. Moon in Moon. Moon here 1, Moon here 3, Saturn in 8th and 12, and Jupiter in 8th and 3rd. Then Mars also in Moon, Jupiter, Rahu. Moon in 3rd, Jupiter in 3, 8th, and Rahu in 8th, and also 12, because Rahu represents Venus. Then Jupiter in Ketu, Jupiter. Ketu we have to club. Ketu in 12th, Jupiter in 3 and 8. Then Venus is Venus, Jupiter. Venus in 3, 12, and Jupiter in 3 and 8. So we can understand how Dasha caused imprisonment. So if we will, to understand if imprisonment will happen or when release will happen, if we will focus on the cusps, like for imprisonment 3, 8 and 12, and for release 2, 4 and 11, then we will come to know and we can guide a person properly. So I hope you got some clarity from this video, and I appreciate you took time to watch this video. And if you have any questions or queries, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. Also, please subscribe to this channel, because I will share more videos on this topic. And if you found this video useful, then please give a thumbs up. These are the books that I studied to make this video. I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.